So today I'm going to show you how to make these no yeast 2 ingredients pretzels. So just like my other no yeast 2 ingredients recipe, this is very easy to make. There's no kneading, there's no proofing, and you don't need any mixer to make this. And the good thing about it is you can have this in just an hour or even less. And the recipe also comes with a simple cheese sauce that you can use for your pretzels. So I hope you guys will stay until the end. Watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Time for us to try our pretzels. So I have here a cheese sauce and I also have some strawberry sauce. So let's try both. Okay. So I can feel that it's kind of like chewy. Look at that. Okay, let's try this. It's really good. I mean, for a 2 ingredient ingredients shortcut pretzel, this one is pretty good. Now let's try the strawberry sauce. Look at that. Guys, this is amazing. So whichever you choose, if you want the strawberry sauce, if you want the cheese sauce, they're just both amazing. You guys have to give this a try. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.